Here is my answer for another set of quiz, which is the stock, bonds, and mutual funds. So number 1, assume that the stockholder earned a dividend of 12,000 pesos at the end of the year. How many shares of stocks he originally invested in the company, given that the stock pays an annual dividend of 600 pesos per share? So in order for us to get that, we will gonna use the formula of I is equals to P times R times T, which is our I is the 600 pesos per share, and then our P is the 12,000 pesos dividend, and R is missing, so we're gonna put R in there, and then 2 times 1. 600 divided by 12,000 is equals to 0.05 times 100 is equals to 5%. So the original share of stocks he invested in the company is 5%. Number 2 question. John empowers stockholders in a certain company. John has 35 shares of stocks more than Pao. The company distributes a yearly dividend of 215 pesos to stockholders. How many shares of stocks John originally owned in the company if he received 12,040 in dividends? So we have a yearly dividend of 215 pesos, and then he receives 12,004 in dividends. So how many stocks John originally has? So we need to divide this two set of numbers, wherein 12,040 divided by 215 is equals to 56. So John originally has 56 stocks. Number 3 question. Flor wants to sell her 100 shares of stocks which she purchased at 1,100. What is her profit or loss if the stock was sold at 8.50 per share? So Flor purchased 100 shares of stocks which cost 1,100. Now she wanted to sell it for 8.50 pesos. So we need to times 100 to 8.50 pesos per share is equals to 850, and then subtract that to original price of the stock, which is the 1,100, is equals to negative 250. So Flor did not gain profit from the share of stock she sold. Number 4 question. A man planned to sell the 50% of his 4,718 shares of stocks in Element Corporation. An investor bought it at 150 pesos per share through a broker that charges 2.75% of the amount sold. What is the commission of the broker if he purchased each share of stock at 105 pesos? So we need to divide the 4,718 to 2 because the owner of the stock just wanted to sell the 50% of his stock. So 4,718 divided by 2 is equals to 2,359. Right now we are going to times the 105 pesos to 2,359, which is 105 pesos is the commission of the book, is the purchase each share of stock, while the 2,359 is the 50% of the 1,718 stocks. So 105 times 2,359 is equals to 247,695 profit. So in order for us to get the commission of the broker, we need to times the percent charge of the broker to the profit of the stocks, which is 247,695 times to the percentage of the commission of the broker, and then we divided to 100, so we have now a 0.0275, and it is an equal amount of 6,811.61. So the broker can now have in 6,811.61 commission. Now, question number 5. How many years will a bond mature if it has a face value of 1,000 with A, 5% coupon and B, 8% coupon? So, for the A, we have 5% coupon. In order for us to have the years bond mature, we need to times the 1,000 pesos face value to our percentage, which we divide to 100, so that is now 0.05. So 1,000 times 0.05 is equals to 50. So how many years will a bond mature in 5% coupon? So it's 50 years. Oh, and now let's move on to B with the 8% coupon. Again, the 1,000 face value times to our coupon, which is 8% divided by 100 is equals to 0.08 is equals to 80. So in 8% coupon, the bond matures in 80 years. Number 6 question. A bond has a face value of 2,000 with a 4.25% coupon payable within 3 years and 8 months. What is the amount of bondholder will receive at the time the bond matures? So we're going to use the formula I is equals to P times R times T, wherein our P is the 2,000 while our R is the percentage that we divided to 100, so that we can get the 0.0425 times to 3 years and 8 months, which is 3.67, is equals to 311.95. So, number 7, a mutual fund has a net asset value of 0.11125. What is the fund's liability if the asset is worth 85,000 pesos with shares outstanding of 400,000 pesos? So, our net asset value was given. So, it is 0.11125 times our share outstanding, which is 400 million, is equals to 44,500,000. So, this 44,500,000 is our fund's liability.